Today we're going to discuss how to play the Matchbox PC game. Later on in the video we'll show how to install it off the internet. I'm assuming that it's already loaded on your PC, so you activate it with an icon. The main menu comes up. There's a few features such as the timer feature, so if you want to time your questions you can go ahead and time it, and when it gets to 0 they have to answer. It's a matching game, so in this case we're looking at a Matchbox and it's drawing blank. Somebody would go ahead and write, for instance here, board. You can answer with a pencil or paper, or you can go to any app store and download a free whiteboard application. That kind of makes the gameplay fun and fast. Here we're setting up the board for play. We're going to say it takes 5 points to win. There are 3 players who are playing. We're going to make up 3 players and type in their names. We have James, Barry, and Lucy, and we're going to go ahead and play the game. You can click on a phrase or a matchbox to play the game. The player gets to decide which one he wants to play. So in this case here it looks like drawing board. We're going to give James 2 points for that. You can also turn the sound on, so when you play the game the timer kicks down, and when it gets down to 0 the sound will go off automatically. So this is breath blank. So Barry has to play breath blank, and he's going to fill in breath of fresh air. Usually it's only a one-word answer, but in this case he typed in breath of fresh air, and no one else was on the same wavelength as Barry, so he didn't get any points for that. So the next play is going to be Lucy, and she's going to go ahead and take a matchbox, and blank entertainment is what she has to fill in. So she would go ahead and write that down, and you can see what she is writing in is adult entertainment as the missing match. And then you go ahead and see who else has the same matches in your group, and you get the corresponding points to Lucy on the board. The next one we're going to play is a match phrase. It's going to go to James. A blank shell was found on the sandy beach, and James is going to go ahead and fill in his answer, and he's actually going to write clam. So a clam shell was found on the sandy beach, and who else has that answer? Looks like he's got a couple points. So we're going to go to the next one, and Barry, the beetle droned in the hot blank sun. So he's got to fill in the blank there on that match phrase, and he's going to go ahead and fill in the word summer. So that's the blank he needs to get. He's going to show everyone and get the matches, and he doesn't get a lot of matches for that one. And then we have Lucy, who's got another match phrase. Paste can cleanse the most dirty blank. She's going to go ahead and type in the word sink. So she's going to use sink as the word and get a couple of matches for that. And then it's saying, hey, congratulations, but we have a tie. Do you want to play another round? They want to play another round. It's James's turn. He's going to go take a matchbox, and it's blank entertainment. And he's going to, it's blank administration for Barry, and he is going to go ahead and fill in the word Obama administration, and he's going to go ahead and see who else has matches for that in the who he's playing with, and he's got some matches. And then we're going to go to Lucy again, and her matchbox is part blank, and she's going to get a point for that. And it looks like she's going to fill in the word number, so she got her points. And congratulations, Lucy has won the game. Once you win the game and start over, it takes a second. It's going to reread everything in and sort it again and reset the board up. So all the questions are sorted in different orders. You can see there's a configuration area where you can set the timer to come on, if you want a buzzer to come at the end of the timer, if you want the sound on all the time, and a couple different features that you can go ahead and save. You also have the ability to edit your match boxes and or your match phrases. These are not encrypted behind the scenes, so you can add anything you'd like, and also you can even use an editor like Notepad to modify or add your own phrases if you'd like. No worries, the game is free of charge to do with what you will. Let's see what else we're going to do here. The sound can come on, and there's a slider bar so that you can adjust the sound to either be louder or softer depending upon where you are, or just turn it off completely. If you want to click on the rules, if you click that, the rules are all there, pretty much what we just explained here, but there's some specific details on the types of play you might play, like player-player, contestant player, team play. It'll then check for an update. Notice it tells you what version you're on, and if you check for an update, it's going to bring you to the website, and the website is going to show you what version. And here both versions are a match, so you don't have to do an update. Everything looks good. You also have the ability to pop up the splash screen, just a minor advertisement and some information about the app. Then you also have the ability to go ahead and make a comment. If you like the game, if you found a bug or whatever, you can go ahead and click a comment there. And also you have the ability to donate if you want to donate to the game. Just click donate, and when you're done with the donate, it'll go to the PayPal area, and you can go ahead and make a donation if you'd like. And then you've got the show video button, so if you click the show video button, this video will pop up, and that's how and you'll just watch the video again. And that's pretty much the whole game. Also, what's coming up is how to install the game. If you would like to play the game, just go to www.brianglenn.net, click on the Matchbox game. When you click on that game link, it's going to bring you to the download. Click on the download. It'll go onto your computer. There may be a warning saying this isn't a normal setup, so it's not named setup.exe, it's named Matchbox setup, so I might complain a little bit about that. Then go ahead and run the setup. It's a standard professional installation using Install Shield, so it'll run you through the process. It'll get you all installed. You'll get a little bit of information on the app when you install it. Just typical installation, a end user license agreement that pretty standard. How you're going to install it on your computer, and then go ahead and hit go, and it's going to go ahead and install everything you need on the computer. And once it does that, it'll put an icon on your desktop that you can just click to start playing, or you can actually go to the start menu and then go to Matchbox and start the game. And that's all we have.